today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a photo. This is just a one-click strategy. So whether you're making a YouTube thumbnail, creating a logo, or just want the background removed, this strategy will work for you. And the best part is you don't have to be a graphic designer or know how to use Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to use it on a tool called Canva. Basically, I call it the best drag and drop graphic design software there is. So I'm excited to show you guys how to use it. I'm going to jump on my computer, so grab yours and we'll meet there. So once you're on Canva, your desktop should look a little bit something like this. You should have Canva up here on the left, home here. If you want a full tutorial on how to use Canva, I have a quick video that you can reference. But in this one, for the sake of time and to get this done quick so you can get your image edited, I'm going to show you just how to remove a background from a photo. So over here on the right, we're going to create design. For this example, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail, actually, for this video. So go to YouTube thumbnail. Cool thing about Canva is it knows all of the dimensions for just about everything. So I don't need to go find those and find a canvas to start creating my design on. It's already the size that it needs to be. On the left over here, when you start with a thumbnail, they'll have a lot of templates that you can start from. So if you're just getting started, this is a great place to look for inspiration or a template to adapt into your business's branding. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my photo here. This is a photo I took. I don't take screenshots of the videos to make my thumbnails because it's could be hit or miss. So I take this photo on the side and we'll see how it goes. Sometimes you have to redo it. So I'll just select the photo here and then it'll always be over here on the left in my uploads. So go ahead and I'll make it a little bigger. And I'll click Effects. Okay, here's the one-click strategy. But I don't want you to jump off once I show you this because there's a really important detail that I'm going to show you later on this video on how to download the image without the background. So you click Background Remover and I'll just give it that one click. It's thinking, it's trying to cut me out of my background here. There we are. Okay, so it did a pretty good job, I'd say. Make myself a little bigger. Probably put myself in this corner since my arm's cut off over here. There we go. Now I'll choose a background color here. So let's say I want to do like this color. That looks pretty with the green shirt. And then I'll probably just drag this down so my elbow doesn't look cut off there. And make myself a little bigger. And there we are. So you'll see that Canva cut me out pretty well. Like my hair doesn't look crazy, my finger's still there, I'm not missing an arm. Now sometimes those things can happen, so I'm going to show you how to fix that if that happens. Let's try this salad bowl here just for the sake of an example. So I'll go to Effects, now click Background Remover. Okay, so you'll see that it didn't quite keep these two leaves here that were on the tablecloth, but the bowl looks like it cut out pretty nicely. Now I'll say that I want those leaves there on the left. I'll click this Restore button, and I can take this little thing, find my leaves again, and now I'm just dragging around with my mouse, and I don't even have a mouse. I'm using the trackpad on my Mac, so I don't have much control here, but it's doing the job. And then once I know where the leaves are, I'll probably zoom in using this tool down here. You'll see that more I zoom in, the percentage there changes so that I can see my image a little easier. Now I can also change my brush size here. So I'll make this a little smaller. And I will try to erase around the leaves. Looks pretty clean so far. I'm gonna have to decrease the brush size again to just go in between those leaves there. I'll probably zoom in a little bit more. And I'll need to decrease this just a little bit. There we go. Good thing leaves don't have super defined edges, so if they get cut off a little bit, it'll be alright. I'd say very rarely I have to use this kind of manual background cutout tool, but it's handy for when, you know, robots aren't perfect. Neither are we, right? So I'll keep doing that. And I'll go ahead and speed this part up of the video a little bit while I get this done. So once I'm done, I'm kind of cleaning up the leaves here, I'll click done. And I'll zoom back out using this dragger here. Okay, so you can see I did not do that perfectly. But for sake of example, that is how you do it. I'm going to go ahead and delete this just because this isn't what the video is about, right? There's no salad in this video. So now I have the basis of my YouTube thumbnail. I have my head and my body cut out of the background to give it a nice, sharp, clean look so that it stands out on YouTube. If you're not using custom thumbnails on YouTube, I highly recommend it. It just makes a tremendous difference in your videos getting seen by the people you want to see them. So for our next example, I'm going to show you how to create a logo. So we're going to go back over here to create a design. It's important that the logo has a transparent background. So we're not necessarily going to be removing the background. We want it to just be non-existent. So say I'm brand new, I don't currently have a logo. I could use one of these templates over here on the left and kind of base my design off of it. Really handy tool that Canva has over here on the left. So I'll go ahead and click this one. Okay. Now, when you put your logo, say on a thumbnail or on a piece of material or on your website, you want it to have no background so that the logo automatically takes on the background of, say, the website or the social media image you're creating. So what we want to do here to get rid of this kind of beigey color, we'll go ahead and change it to white. Now the setting that we're going to use is actually in the download section. So you go over here to the right to download. We want it to be PNG. And then another one-click strategy here. I promise I wasn't lying to you guys on that. We'll just click transparent background and then download. It was that easy. It downloads. So whenever I put it on a website, it's going to automatically take on the background because the background of this current logo does not exist. So I've shown you how to cut out background from a photo on Canva. We went over that. I showed you how to manually do it just in case Canva misses a few things here or there. And I showed you how to download an image without a background. Really easy tools that Canva has. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be answering them there for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe. If you want to learn more about how to use Canva, I have a full tutorial on how to use it. It's pretty cool. There's so many ins and outs and it makes it really easy to learn and create all the images you need for your business. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for years. I started using the free software forever and I just upgraded to the paid version just because you get so many more features. But whatever you need to do starting out, definitely the free version has a lot of things to help you grow.